Hey art friends, so you want to draw a watermelon flavoured ice cream? Well, you come to the right place, and what a great, delicious flavour. Well, this drawing here is actually from our colouring in book, Ice Cream for Ice Cream. So if you're interested in, I'll put a link in the description below where there's lots of other ice cream drawings for you to colour in and draw as well. Alrighty, so you ready to get started? All you need is some paper to draw on, something to draw with, and something to colour in with. Alrighty, let's get started. Alright, so very simple shape we're going to draw. Essentially the ice cream is a shape of a watermelon segment, so it's going to be like a bit of a triangle. So first of all, let's draw a bit of a curve. This is the bottom of the ice cream, and then we're going to draw a bit of a triangle going up. But to make it look cute and funny and awesome, it's not going to be a pointy triangle, it's going to be a bit of a curve to it. So let's start here, we go up, and about here we turn around and go back down again. Just like that. Really up to you if you want to make the ice cream bigger or wider. You can make it any shape if you want, actually. Alright, so that's the basic shape. Now let's draw some details of the watermelon. Now the bottom part here, if you've ever had a watermelon ice cream or watermelon ice block, you kind of got the green part, and there's a bit of a lighter green part there, and then you've got the red part there as well. So we're just going to draw a couple of lines along here just to separate the areas. So that's one, and then a smaller one there as well. Just like that. Okay. The next part we're going to do is we're going to add in some watermelon seeds. So you can just randomly place some oval shapes, just like that. Just randomly place them wherever you like. Cool, just like that. And there we go, we've actually drawn a slice of watermelon. You can keep it just like that, you've finished. But if you want to turn it into a watermelon ice cream, all we're going to do is add a bit of the wooden stick down the bottom where you hold it. So we draw a line down here like this, curve around and go up like that. Now to add a bit of a dimension to it, we'll add another line in here as well. So it kind of looks like the side of the ice cream stick. And if you wanted to, you can put some details in here, because this is wood. Yeah, you may want to add a few random lines in here to show a bit of a texture of the wood grain of the ice cream stick. And then just to add some more fun details here, because it's ice cream and it's a hot day, it's melting, you're going to eat it fast. It's going to add a little drip in here. So just create a bit of a bubble shape like that, and up like that. And then we'll draw another circle here, so it's dripping ice cream. So you have to eat your ice cream very quick. Alrighty, and there we go, we've done the outline for our watermelon flavoured ice cream. And the next step is to colour in. Okay, and we've finished colouring in. It's very easy to colour in. All you need is some red, you need some green. We've just added a light green and a bit of a dark green, and some brown there. And we've also got a white marker, added some highlights in there as well. So there you go, you've got your water flavoured ice cream. Alrighty, so hope you followed along and had lots of fun drawing our watermelon ice cream. Check out our channel, we've got lots and lots of other ice cream drawings. We're obsessed with ice cream, so there's lots of drawings for you to do there. Also check out our book as well. This drawing that we did today is in this book, plus lots and lots and lots and lots of other ones there as well. So I'll put a link in the description below if you're interested in that. It's lots of fun colouring in and drawing ice cream. Thanks for watching, bye bye.